Want to run statistics in Excel? Here's how to add the data analysis tool pack to your data tab on the ribbon. First, go to File, then come down to Options, then go to Add-ins, and then on the Manage drop-down, make sure it's selected on Excel Add-ins. Click Go, and then check the box next to Analysis Tool Pack. Click OK, and then Data Analysis will show up in the Analyze group on the Data tab of the ribbon. You may have been on the Home ribbon, so make sure that you switch over to Data so you can see Data Analysis added to the Analyze group. So if you click on Data Analysis, you'll now see all the different statistical tests that you can run: ANOVA, correlation, covariance, descriptive stats, exponential smoothing, F-test, Fourier analysis, histograms, moving average, random number generation, ranking percentile, regression, sampling, lots of different t-tests and a z-test as well. Happy testing!